inside of old Pickle here. This is our 58 panel. I picked up that someone has cut these lovely plexiglass windows in. This thing is going to need a ton of work. And the back hatch is locked and we can't get it open. And I'm in here with a headlamp because it's under the carport and can't really see very well. So we are trying to work our way to getting this out of here. See if I can figure out a way to get that loose. Make the camera sit there, or not. Got two of them out pretty easily. I may have to go get a different screwdriver. I'll be right back. I have switched you out to a different view and put you on a gimbal. Maybe we can get this off here. A different screwdriver, it still may not be what we need. We have to go get a bigger one yet. Yeah, hang on a second. Had to go in and get some more muscle. Finally figured, just put it in the impact driver. Might make life a little easier on us. See, it's gonna be really loud, so noise alert. That worked better. You see it loosen up there? Now, I'm not sure exactly how this comes off. The locking mechanism's right there. Let's go see if we can get a wrench on that and turn that. See if we can get it up. And may not have had to take those out to get it open, but they have to come out anyway. I just twisted this little guy off of there. And I think that should free us up of everything that's holding this side of the latch on. There we go. Here you go. Now, we should be able to go outside and open that back hatch up. But let's just see, squeeze through there, all of our other accoutrements that are out here. And that is what we're going to try and pop open. And before we even do anything though, I think I probably need to juice that up pretty good. Don't you think? That probably ain't even going to open. If it's bound a little bit, I'm just going to stop and let it soak overnight. But we're going to juice that up with some lithium grease. I'll do it on the inside as well. And then I will turn you back on and see how we do. Alright, it's snowing outside. Let's see what happens. Again, we may... that didn't make it too bad. Sounds a little crunchy, huh? All the way to the catch. Look at that. Use my third arm. Go. So, definitely work in progress. But that's the first step, getting the back door open. And looks like somebody has already been in that lock. The mechanism itself inside doesn't look too bad. We can rekey that. whatever key we decide to put on there. All right, call that a win.